So you join me now in my utility room. As you can tell by the wonderful view of the sky. And the reason I'm recording this now instead of recording it earlier today was because, well, one, the video was shot over a couple of days, and two, although my camera records really well with visuals, the audio is not very good and there's no input for an external mic, which is, it doesn't bother me for filming, but when it comes to recording voiceovers it's kind of annoying. So I'm currently using my phone and a microphone. So yeah, we swapped the car over, we put the Rolls Royce into the shed and we pulled the Cresta out of the shed after my dad had sprayed the top, thinking it would be an easy turnover, as you know, even though it had been sitting, it hadn't been sitting in the damp, or it was well maintained. So we go to turn it over, and one of the valves isn't firing up. So yeah, at this point we decide to remove the head and see what's going on with the valve. So yeah. Okay.
What's that one now? See, they're all coming up and down. What's that
Yeah.
one? Number 4, 5, 6, right? Number 6 is stuck.
on it. Somebody said Rolls Royce tied.
Rolls Royce tied, is it?
You ran off. No.
So after removing the head and greasing it up with petrol, getting ready to remove all the valves and general maintenance, we get to valve number 6. I believe it's number 6, which is the stuck one. So all the others are doing their thing except for that one, and it's wedged. It is wedge tight. So on a closer inspection, we find out that it's bent inside the chamber. Now we need to get it out, and there was no other alternative but to brute force the valve out, because it was bent. It needed to come out. So we basically compressed it down and hit it with a hammer. It needed to come out.
Painted these shelves in the kitchen because the tornado hasn't come. It should be dry by Tuesday.
hopefully we'll be able to get back onto the road, because it's a beautiful car. Absolutely beautiful. And I have dreamed since I was 10 years old that I'd be able to drive it one day, and I hope I will be able to. But stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be able to get this going.